Good evening, everyone. This is Miss Kendra speaking. I am making a video on behalf of first grade this week for our learning opportunities for Pearson Realize. Lesson 1.7 had a couple of comparison problems where the bigger number was unknown and the difference was unknown within survey problems. Today I'm going to show two examples solving for a bigger unknown and the difference unknown. First, I'll start with the bigger unknown. And this is a survey question. Would you rather have a cat or a dog? A teacher asked a group of students, would you rather have a cat or a dog? 4 students said dog. 4 more students said cat, then said dog. How many students would rather have a cat? Now, if I were in school and whenever I'm reading a story problem or a word problem or anything, I call for my students or I ask for my students to visualize. Visualize means to make a picture in your head. While I'm reading it again, if you're listening, paying attention, and wanting to solve the problem with me, go ahead and visualize. And as you are visualizing, and after each sentence, I will go ahead and start solving the problem. Would you rather have a cat or a dog? A teacher asked a group of students, would you rather have a cat or a dog? 4 students said dog. So we know that. 4 students said dog. I'm going to go ahead and start showing that. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students said dog. 4 more students said cat, then said dog. So it just said 4 more students said cat, then dog. It's not telling us the exact number. It said that 4 more students said cat, then they said dog. How many students would rather have a cat? Now, if I go ahead and put that 4 students said cat, that is not showing me more. That's just showing me 4 students. Right now, I see an equal amount of students that said cat and dog, but the problem says 4 more students said cat than dog. That word more lets me know that this number is going to be greater than the number of dogs. More means greater or bigger. So it says 4 more. So I'm going to go ahead and add 4 more. Here's 1, 2, 3, and then looks like I ran out of space. I'm going to go ahead and put another space there. And that will be 4. How many students rather have a cat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 4 more. 8 students. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing here in this box with an equation. We knew that 4 students said dog and 4 more. When I think about more, whenever I think about more, I think about adding. 4 more students said cat, then dog. So 4 plus 4 more will give us a total of 8. And then is that correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 students rather have a cat than dog. And that is how you solve an equation or a comparison problem where the bigger number is unknown within a survey. Now I'm going to show a problem within the differences unknown. I went back to last week's activity where first grade had to survey their family on whether they wanted to explore the deep sea or the outer space. So here's my question. I asked my family, would you rather explore the deep sea or the outer space? 5 family members said outer space. 3 fewer family members said deep sea. than outer space? How many family members rather explore the deep sea? So I'm going to reread it again, and this time I want you to visualize. As we're visualizing, we'll go ahead and start solving the problem. Would you rather explore the deep sea or outer space? I asked my family, would you rather explore the deep sea or outer space? 5 family members said outer space. So we know that. 5 family members said outer space. So I'm going to go ahead and show the 5 family members. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 5. Make sure that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's my 5 family members. 3 fewer family members said deep sea than outer space. How many family members rather explore the deep sea? So, just like when we were trying to solve the bigger unknown, I see a key word here, fewer. Fewer means smaller or less. So whatever this amount is, it's going to be smaller or less than 5. So I have 5. So 3 fewer. 1, 2, 3. That leaves me with 2. Because that is 3 fewer. 3 fewer will leave me here. 1, 2, 3. Go down. And that will leave me with 2. 2 people wanted to explore the deep sea rather than the outer space. I can go over here and show the same thing with an equation. If I go back, I know that 5 family members rather explored outer space. 3 fewer, and like I said, fewer means smaller or less than. Just like more means greater or bigger. And if you remember with the bigger unknown, we added because we heard that keyword more. So what's the opposite of addition? Fewer. That is subtraction. 5 minus 3 fewer minus 3 will give us 2. That is the same thing that we have here. So right now we just double checked our work. 2 family members. Thank you.